Dear students, welcome to the online class on course Mycology for honors first year students. This is Leah Nasrin and today I will discuss about genus Sarcospora. Here I am using a pointer. They may not match sometimes with narration for technical problems. Genus Sarcospora belongs to class Deuteromycetes. The fungi within this class are called, the genus of this class are called form genus, and the species included in this class are called form species. Class Deuteromycetes belongs to division Mycota. When it is this term is used, Mycota, it means a division of fungi. They are characterized by the production of septate mycelium. Septate mycelium means the mycelium which are divided by cross walls. Those cross walls are called septum, and this type of mycelium forms a multicellular hyphae. And sexual life cycle, that is either unknown or absent. They have no sexual stage. They reproduce asexually by means of conidia. A conidium is an asexual spore that is not produced in a sporangium. That is, conidium is produced exogenously. The term conidium is used in singular sense, and when it is plural, it is called conidia. So the fungi within the class Deuteromycetes have no sexual stage. Habit and habitat. Sarcospora are cosmopolitan. That means they are found all over the world or occurs both in tropical or temperate region. Total species are 3,800. Sarcospora is a very large genus of family Dimeciaceae. It includes about 3,800 form species. Majority of the species are parasitic and cause leaf spot or ticca disease of economically important plants. The infection begins as pale green spots on the upper surface of the leaf. These spots gradually enlarge, turn brown in color, and ultimately entire leaf dries and crumbles down. Vegetative structure. The mycelium is well developed, branched, septate, hyaline or brown colored, intercellular with haustoria and multinucleate. You know, branched means the mycelium has branches. Septate means there are septums or cross walls which divide the mycelium into a multicellular structure. Hyaline means colorless. The mycelium may be colorless or brown colored, and when the mycelium are intercellular, it means the mycelia grow through the intercellular space of the tissue, that is in between the cells, and usually intercellular mycelium has haustoria. Haustoria is a knob-like structure that absorbs food from the cell, and multinucleate means more cell, more nucleus, more than one, two or more nucleus per cell. Reproduction. Sarcospora reproduce only by means of conidia. A tuft of conidiophores emerge either through stomata or ruptured epidermis. Conidiophores are hyaline or brown, dark brown, septate or aseptate, straight or flexuous, and show distinct geniculate bends. Here you can see the conidiophore, and this is the stroma. At maturity, some of the hyphae aggregate to form brown to black color globular mass in the substomatal cavity or beneath the epidermis of the host leaf. It is called stroma. From stroma, there comes out conidiophore, and you can see this is conidiophore, and from the conidiophore are produced conidium. Here are conidia. Each conidiophore forms single conidium acrogenously at its apex. The growth of the conidiophore is renewed after the formation of the first conidium. The mature conidium is pushed aside due to subapical growth of the conidiophore. On detachment, each conidium leaves a geniculate scar, you can see the scar, or conidial scar on the conidiophore at the place of his attachment. This is conidial scar, and the conidia are long. You can see it's long, cylindrical, obclavate, multi-septate. There are septum, number of septums, and transverse septa. Although all of those are transverse septa, hyaline or brownish in color. They vary in size. Usually have a breadth length ratio of 1:10. The conidia are disseminated by wind or rain splash under suitable condition, maybe 24 to 28 degrees centigrade temperature. Conidia germinate by giving rise to one or more germ tubes. Each germ tube develop into new mycelium. The perfect stages of Sarcospora arachidicola and Sarcospora personata are Microsphaerilla arachidicola and Microsphaerilla barkelii, respectively. Economic importance. The genus Sarcospora are responsible for number of plant disease and causes great economic loss. For example, Sarcospora arachidicola or Sarcospora personata causes ticca disease of groundnut. Sarcospora musi causes sigatoka disease of banana. Sarcospora nicotini causes frog eye leaf spot. The leaf spot are like frog eyes disease of tobacco. Sarcospora hibiscus causes leaf spot disease of lady's finger. Sarcospora indica causes leaf spot disease of pigeon pea, that is Cajanus cajan. The most important is and most common is Sarcospora arachidicola, which causes ticca disease of groundnut. That's all for today, and thank you for watching the video.